If you've not gotten a slot to complete your Ruby KYC, in this video, you get to know exactly why you have not gotten a slot and what you need to do so that you're going to get a slot to complete your KYC. Before we proceed, if you try to access my Telegram channel as of now, you notice that it will be displaying something like you have been removed or channel unavailable or this channel is private or whatsoever error messages you will be getting. The reason is because I woke up this morning to see that my Telegram account was banned without warning, and I don't know why. It's normal thing with Telegram anyway. They don't give warnings when they want to do their bans and the likes. So I've still sent some appeals and still working on how to get the accounts back. In the meantime, I've opened a backup channel. So go and join that backup channel right now to stay in touch for updates. It's an easy thing. All you basically have to do is to check my profile right now. Check the link tree on my profile. I have linked the backup page there. So tap on Telegram, you join the channel and stay in touch while we still try to restore the old one. What you need to know is that Rubi KYC is in versions. They started from something around version 1.0 or 1.1, then they head on to 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and the last one that they just did is version 1.5. So during that version 1.5, a lot of people got KYC and they have been approved. As of now, nobody is getting KYC. We are still waiting for version 1.6 to come live. So once version 1.6 comes live, a new set of people is going to get KYC again. What you now need to ask is, how do you position yourself so that if this version 1.6 come out, you'll be among those that is going to get KYC? And from the research I have done as regarding to this, the only thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have complete this your KYC checklist. Yes, that is, you must have been mining on the Ruby app for at least 30 days, and you must have also accumulated at least 30 Ruby. Once you meet up with this requirement, you should get KYC. Another option that I am seeing is that you need to stick to a particular region. Anytime you want to mine, any day you come into your app to mine for the 24 hours, you're going to see that different regions are being presented to you. You see Nigeria, you see Lagos, you see Ibadan, and you see a lot of other regions. From the update I've seen, you need to stick to one region. Selecting multiple regions is one of the reasons why you will not get your KYC fast. Some people, you come today, you select Lagos, another day you select Ibadan, another day you select another region, and you keep dabbling around. So you need to stick to one and keep mining consistently. So once you do all of this, it is guaranteed that you are going to get a KYC slot. And I don't think you should even be bothered if you've not gotten a KYC slot, because as long as you meet up with this requirement, if they don't give you in version 1.6, they'll give you in 1.7. They're going to give you in 1.7. They'll definitely give you in 1.8 or any of the versions that they plan to do it for. And that is basically it. Those of you that have gotten your KYC, you need to deposit some amount of Ruby into your wallet for you to be able to complete your KYC. And the required is just about 2 Ruby. It's enough, but you could purchase more than that or get more than that. That is on you to be on the safer side. And for those of you that have gotten your Ruby KYC and you want to complete it and you need Ruby, I am going to be distributing some amount of Ruby to some few wallets. So it is the wallet address I see that I am going to be distributing to, but I'm going to be doing that on X. If you check my X right now and you check for Toniostech, you're going to see that I make a post on Ruby, and in that post, I ask people to drop their wallet address. So if you drop your wallet address there and I see it, I'm going to send Ruby to your wallet so that you get to complete your KYC. Again, I'm looking for a graphics designer. If you go on my X right now and you check my X banner, you see the banner there. I don't know if it looks good, but to me, I don't like it. So I need to change it. I need to get something better. So if you know you're a good graphics designer and you're up to the task, you can send me a DM so we get to do some collaboration. And I'm not going to be paying you in cash or USDT. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving you a shout out here on my platform. Yes. So if you get the job done successful, I'm going to give you a shout out here so that other people can locate you in case they need to get graphics and the like. So if it sounds like what you're interested in, you could hit me up in DM and let's get it going. And that is basically it. So don't forget to hit this plus button that is right here so you follow me here.